Introduction to Growth and Development. Growth and development are fundamental concepts in understanding human life. While growth refers to measurable physical changes, such as height, weight, and organ size, development encompasses the broader progression of skills, emotions, intellect, and social interactions throughout life. Key aspects of growth and development. 1. Growth involves quantitative changes, for example, body size, occurs in a predictable sequence, influenced by genetics and external factors like nutrition. 2. Development includes qualitative changes like cognitive abilities and social skills. Continuous and multidimensional, physical, emotional, social, and cognitive. Proceeds in stages, influenced by nature, genetics, and nurture, environment. Importance of understanding growth and development. Helps educators and caregivers identify age-appropriate tasks. Provides insights into individual learning capacities and needs. Supports early detection of developmental delays or issues. This foundational knowledge forms the basis for various disciplines including psychology, education, and medicine, emphasizing the dynamic nature of human life from infancy to adulthood. Here are 50 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, on growth and development with answers provided. MCQs on growth and development. 1. What is the term for the increase in size and weight of the body? A. Development. B. Growth. C. Maturation. D. Evolution. Answer. B. Growth. 2. Development includes changes in A. Physical structure only. B. Mental and emotional aspects. C. Physical, mental, and social aspects. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Physical, mental, and social aspects. 3. Which of the following is a characteristic of growth? A. It is qualitative. B. It continues throughout life. C. It is measurable. D. It involves learning. Answer. C. It is measurable. 4. At what stage does the fastest physical growth occur? A. Infancy. B. Childhood. C. Adolescence. D. Adulthood. Answer. A. Infancy. 5. What is the process of achieving emotional maturity called? A. Growth. B. Development. C. Maturation. D. Evolution. Answer. C. Maturation. 6. Which factor is most important for intellectual development? A. Heredity. B. Nutrition. C. Environment. D. Education. Answer. D. Education. 7. The term development is A. Reversible. B. Unidirectional. C. Multidimensional. D. Periodic? Answer: C. Multidimensional. 8. Cephalocaudal development refers to growth from A. Head to tail, B. Center to periphery, C. Tail to head, D. Periphery to center. Answer: A. Head to tail. 9. Proximodistal development refers to growth from A. Head to tail, B. Center to periphery, C. Tail to head, D. Top to bottom. Answer: B. Center to periphery. 10. Which stage is characterized by rapid cognitive and language development? A. Infancy, B. Early childhood, C. Adolescence, D. Late childhood. Answer: B. Early childhood. 11. The critical period in development is when A. Growth is rapid, B. Development is irreversible, C. Environmental influences are crucial, D. All of the above. Answer: C. Environmental influences are crucial. 12. What is the primary developmental task of adolescence? A. Social bonding, B. Identity formation, C. Physical growth, D. Cognitive development. Answer: B. Identity formation. 13. Which of the following is not a principle of growth and development? A. It is continuous. B. It is similar for all individuals. C. It occurs in stages. D. It varies by individual. Answer: B. It is similar for all individuals. 14. What is the primary factor influencing prenatal development? A. Nutrition, B. Education, C. Environment, D. Parenting style. Answer: A. Nutrition. 15. The nature versus nurture debate focuses on A. Genetic and learned behaviors, B. Maturation and education, C. Physical and emotional development, D. Growth and environmental factors. Answer: A. Genetic and learned behaviors. 16. Which stage of development is associated with the onset of puberty? A. Infancy, B. Adolescence, C. Early childhood, D. Late adulthood. Answer: B. Adolescence. 17. Emotional development primarily involves A. Problem-solving skills, B. Recognition and expression of feelings, C. Physical growth, D. Academic achievement. Answer: B. Recognition and expression of feelings. 18. Which theorist proposed the psychosocial stages of development? A. Piaget, B. Erik Erikson, C. Freud, D. Vygotsky. Answer: B. Erik Erikson. 19. Cognitive development theories are most associated with A. Erik Erikson, B. Jean Piaget, C. Sigmund Freud, D. B.F. Skinner. Answer: B. Jean Piaget. 20. Social development refers to the ability to A. Communicate effectively, B. Form relationships with others, C. Adapt to social norms, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 21. Which stage of development is most critical for language acquisition? A. Infancy, B. Early childhood, C. Adolescence, D. Adulthood. Answer: B. Early childhood. 22. Erickson's stage of industry versus inferiority corresponds to A. Infancy, B. Early childhood, C. Middle childhood, D. Adolescence. Answer: C. Middle childhood. 23. Piaget's concrete operational stage is characterized by A. Abstract thinking, B. Logical thinking about concrete events, C. Symbolic thought, D. Egocentrism. Answer: B. Logical thinking about concrete events. 24. In Vygotsky's theory, the zone of proximal development refers to A. Tasks too difficult for a child to do alone, B. Developmental milestones, C. Areas of physical growth, D. Genetic potential. Answer: A. Tasks too difficult for a child to do alone. 25. Which factor influences emotional development the most? A. Peer interaction, B. Parental support, C. Academic performance, D. Physical health. Answer: B. Parental support. 26. The development of motor skills is influenced by A. Nutrition, B. Physical activity, C. Genetic factors, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 27. The ability to think abstractly typically develops in A. Early childhood, B. Middle childhood, C. Adolescence, D. Adulthood. Answer: C. Adolescence. 28. Which factor has the least influence on development? A. Heredity, B. Socioeconomic status, C. Climate, D. Education. Answer: C. Climate. 29. The attachment theory was proposed by A. Erik Erikson, B. John Bowlby, C. Jean Piaget, D. Lev Vygotsky. Answer: B. John Bowlby. 30. Which is a sign of social development in toddlers? A. Walking, B. Imitating peers, C. Recognizing colors, D. Babbling. Answer: B. Imitating peers. 31. Emotional intelligence is the ability to A. Control others' emotions, B. Identify and manage emotions, C. Increase IQ, D. Solve emotional problems. Answer: B. Identify and manage emotions. 32. The sequence of development is A. Random. B. Predictable. C. Unimportant. D. Based on luck? Answer: B. Predictable. 33. Which hormone is most associated with growth during adolescence? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Growth hormone. D. Testosterone estrogen. Answer: D. Testosterone estrogen. 34. Developmental delays can be caused by A. Genetic factors. B. Environmental factors. C. Medical conditions. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 35. Critical thinking develops during which Piaget stage? A. Sensory motor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. D. Formal operational. Answer: D. Formal operational. 36. The ability to empathize is a part of A. Physical development. B. Emotional development. C. Cognitive development. D. Social development. Answer: B. Emotional development. 37. What is a developmental milestone? A. A universal age-related event. B. A significant point in development. C. A medical diagnosis. D. None of the above. Answer: B. A significant point in development. 38. Early childhood education promotes A. Physical development only. B. Social and cognitive development. C. Emotional stability. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Social and cognitive development. 39. Which type of development is most visible? A. Emotional. B. Physical. C. Social. D. Cognitive. Answer: B. Physical. 40. Which stage of Erikson's theory involves trust versus mistrust? A. Infancy. B. Early childhood. C. Adolescence. D. Late adulthood. Answer: A. Infancy. 41. Nature refers to A. Genetic inheritance. B. Environmental influences. C. Education. D. Socioeconomic status. Answer: A. Genetic inheritance. 42. What marks the end of adolescence? A. Emotional maturity. B. Completion of physical growth. C. Legal adulthood. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 43. Gross motor skills involve A. Small muscle movements. B. Large muscle movements. C. Speech development. D. Cognitive tasks. Answer: B. Large muscle movements. 44. Fine motor skills involve A. Running and jumping. B. Drawing and writing. C. Talking and listening. D. Reading and comprehension. Answer: B. Drawing and writing. 45. Which stage of development is most focused on career planning? A. Adolescence. B. Early childhood, C. Middle adulthood, D. Late adulthood. Answer A. Adolescence, 46. Which factor can slow physical growth? A. Balanced diet, B. Lack of sleep, C. Physical exercise, D. Proper health care. Answer B. Lack of sleep, 47. Cognitive development refers to A. Emotional regulation, B. Thinking, reasoning, and problem solving, C. Physical growth of the brain, D. None of the above. Answer B. Thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. 48. Egocentrism is most characteristic of which stage? A. Infancy, B. Preoperational, C. Concrete operational, D. Formal operational. Answer B. Preoperational, 49. What is the role of play in development? A. Enhances cognitive skills, B. Improves social skills, C. Supports emotional growth, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above, 50. Which parenting style is most supportive of healthy development? A. Authoritarian, B. Permissive, C. Authoritative, D. Neglectful. Answer C. Authoritative. Understanding growth and development is crucial for nurturing individuals to reach their full potential. These processes are dynamic, interdependent, and influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. By recognizing the stages of physical, cognitive, emotional, and social development, educators, caregivers, and healthcare professionals can provide appropriate support and interventions at every life stage. A deeper awareness of growth and development helps in identifying developmental milestones and challenges, promoting holistic well-being through tailored guidance, ensuring a balanced focus on physical, emotional, and cognitive growth. Ultimately, fostering growth and development enables individuals to adapt to life's challenges, contribute to society, and lead fulfilling lives, making it a cornerstone of human progress. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.